In this session, we will learn about quadrilaterals and how to construct quadrilaterals like square and rectangle and parallelogram and trapezium, rhombus and kite. So what is a quadrilateral? So as we learned about the quadrilateral is the closed figure which is formed by line segments. So what is the closed figure? Yes, this is the closed figure. This is the closed figure. Yes, closed. How many sides it has? There are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is one closed figure. And this is also formed by 4 line segments. And this is one closed figure. It is also formed by 4 line segments. So the shape, the closed shape which is formed by 4 line segments, that is called quadrilateral. So there are different kinds of quadrilaterals. That is, what are the types of quadrilaterals we have? So there are so many types of quadrilaterals. We have first of all square, and the second one is rectangle, and third one is parallelogram, fourth one is trapezium, one is rhombus, next one is kite. So okay, so these are the all kinds of quadrilaterals. So mainly quadrilateral, when we ask about or anyone is asking you to say about the quadrilateral, we should say that the closed figure which is formed by 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. So there are how many kinds of quadrilaterals? But is the quadrilateral is possible to draw by using 2 line segments? No. 3 line segments? No. How many, at least how many line segments we require to draw a quadrilateral? Yes, 4 line segments minimum required. So there are different kinds of quadrilaterals here. So today our topic is chapter 9, construction of square. Construction of square. How to construct a square? Yes, square is a quadrilateral, no doubt in it, because it has almost it is formed by 4 line segments, right? It is formed by 4 line segments here. So we have a question is construct a square of 5 centimeters. How to construct a square with 5 centimeters? The square, this is the square. It is a rough sketch, rough one. A, B, C, D, 5 centimeters. I think one measurement is enough to construct a square. Why? Because all sides are equal in the square itself, right? So now how to construct a square with the length of 5 centimeters? I told you to construct a square, a rectangle or parallelogram, whatever the quadrilateral it is, we need to get a scale. This is a ruler and protractor, then after compass. All these 3 tools are very essential for us to construct a quadrilateral. So what are the steps we have to construct a square? First of all, step 1, draw a line segment AB equal to the side of a square which is given 5 centimeters, right? I am going to, first of all, step 1, the construction step 1, draw by using this ruler. We just draw a line segment AB equal to the side of the square. How much the side of the square it is? 5 centimeters. So that 0 mark point and 5 centimeters. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you just get the scale and we can see this 5 centimeters line segment and remove it. This is A and this is B. Okay, 5 centimeters. Clear? By using this ruler, we just draw the line segment AB, which is equal to the given length 5 centimeters. And what about the step 2? Draw two rays through the points A and B, making angles of 90 degrees using the protractor and the ruler. Draw two rays through A and B, making 90 degrees at A and B. So, to draw a lines or to rays, we need 90 degree. We have to put the 90 degrees at A and B. So you know, this is the center of the protractor. This is the baseline. The center of the protractor, we should place it on A. You see, yeah, center of the protractor is A, and we adjust this baseline along with this baseline of the protractor, and the line is on the same coincides. Okay, the base of the protractor, we should adjust the protractor, it must be on the same line. Right now 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees. Now you got it? This is very important step to construct a square and rectangle. So 90 degrees at A, and we'll go to the B. The base point of the protractor must be at B now. So it is not in the correct position. The baseline of the protractor, we just coincides with the baseline of the line segment. Now 90 degrees we put it. You just right. Remove the protractor and use again the scale and write two rays as we discussed in the step 2. Yes, draw two rays and yes. So 90 degrees already we draw. Yes? Yeah. Next, third step. Cut off the rays AD. Okay, this is A, this is AD, and this is BC. Let us discuss about something. So cut off the rays AD and BC equal to the side of the square from the lines drawn in the step 2. Right. Step 2 లో మనం రెండు లైన్స్ గీసాం కదా. స్టెప్ 2 లో గీసినటువంటి రెండు లైన్లకి ఇప్పుడు ఎంతది 5 centimeters, right? So you just take 5 centimeters on ruler by using compass, right? ఎట్లాగో చూద్దాం. You just see here. Yeah. Just to see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So by using the compass, you just take that 5 centimeters on compass, and without disturb this distance, with the center A, you just draw a ray. You have to cut off the ray at D, and the same distance with the center B, you just cut off the lines which are previously in the step 2. Now this is where the intersecting point is D, here intersecting point is C. Now we just join these two lines. This is 5 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. This is our required square. This is the way of constructing the square with the given length, right?